Okay, I want you to neck rein him and figure eight him. Good job.
I want to ride the white horses. That's my favorite one, the white one. That's top. Yeah, I know. That's my favorite one.
Okay, now I want you to trot him, Tally. There you go. Can you lope him? Can you stop him? Can you back him up? Don't let off, just keep hold. There you go. That's good. Now go forward. Figure eight him and turn him the other direction. Now trot him this direction. Now lope him this direction. Now stop him. Back him up. There you go. Now walk him off. Turn him against the fence. Walk off. There you go. Good job. Walk off nice and slow, Tylee. Give him his head and walk off. Good job.